All right, guys, coming at you with another home tour here. We're in Broken Arrow in Aspen Pond. This beautiful craftsman style home has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, built in 2014, and it's about 2,600 square feet. So lots of updates in here. I've seen a few other houses today. This one's probably my favorite. So let's head on in and see what it's all about. Love the garden here. Very nice. The grass is like perfectly manicured. And let's head on in. Love this door. It has the peephole on the other side. Check it out. Right inside here, love the foyer. Nice tall ceilings. You have an office right into the right here. Love the doors. And we're going to go this way. We have a hall bath right here. Garage. Laundry area, and this goes right on around into the master, which is super popular feature. Good sized closet. Here's your master bath. Again, really good cleaning job. Those are kind of hard to keep clean, and I'm impressed. There's not a spot on that. Huge soaker tub with the jets, of course. Here's your dual vanities. Love the colors in here. There's your toilet area. And here is your master. You have the double doors on here, which is nice. Back up here and let you see the whole thing. Nice popped ceiling. Of course, you have a king size bed, so plenty of room in here. You even got room for your 2 accent chairs, which is nice. And we'll head over here. Here's your living room. Love the colors in here. You got a fireplace, built-in storage over there. Mike David working hard. You need a lender, Waterstone Mortgage.
Always working.
Your kitchen, dining area. Love the granite on here. It's really nice. And through the magic of cinema, Mike David has disappeared. Got crumble cookies today, so if you ever get into real estate, you'll never be hungry. What? You're fine. You're totally fine. I'm gonna go this way. You can be in the video. Nobody cares. We'll head on upstairs here. This is a neat layout. So here you've got an entertaining area. And then in the back, you've got a private bedroom situation, which I'm going to assume was probably maybe attic space at some point. Love how they did a little kind of desk office nook for the kids. And then that's attic storage under there. Your closet right there. We'll head back over this way. You have more walkout attic space. I think both of these are. This one's attic space. This one I think is a linen closet. Yeah. Here's your upstairs bath. Good size. Love the flooring. Good colors in this house overall. Can't complain. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And we've got another bedroom. Lots of windows in this one. The other house I looked at, whoops, I'm having issues. The other house I looked at was kind of like, it wasn't like really bad, but the colors weren't nice and bright and airy like this one, and that really is trending right now. So I think Seller did a really good job keeping up with what's popular without having to completely change the style of the house. And let's go out into the backyard. All right, and here we are at the back patio. Good size for entertaining whatever your needs are. You got the grill set up over there. I like how they added that little patch of concrete just for that. Really good size yard. So this one's actually on 0.19 acres, so almost a quarter of an acre. Good privacy fence. Here's the back view of the house. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. As always, if you're thinking of moving to Tulsa or the surrounding areas, let me know. I'd be happy to help you out, whether you're moving in just 9 days, 90 days. Love to be a resource for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate content, home tours, and all kinds of good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video.